Our bilateral trade reached approximately $860 million in 2025, and we are on course to hitting $1 billion this year, a reflection of growing opportunity. But this is only a fraction of what is possible. Investment cooperation stands as a central pillar of our bilateral relations. Kenyan enterprises have invested more than $1.7 billion in Tanzania, creating jobs, advancing skills transfer, and strengthening local capacity across key sectors, including manufacturing, energy, logistics, financial services, and agriculture. Makampuni za Kenya hapa Tanzania zimeegeza bilioni 1.7 ya Kimarekani humu Tanzania.